I can't stand it when my phone screen gets all smudged up with fingerprints. It drives me crazy trying to see through the blur. Do you still use a bulky cloth or messy spray just to clean your phone screen? Stop it. I'll admit I have a bit of OCD and can't stand seeing my phone covered in fingerprints and grime. But I didn't want to carry around a bulky spray bottle or use a microfiber cloth. I used to use my shirt to clean fingerprints, oils, and grime off my phone, but it never fully cleans it. It just smudges things around. And lint, always gets stuck. It drives me crazy when my phone and other touchscreen devices are covered in sticky fingerprints and smudges. I can't tell you the amount of time I've spent over the years washing my hands before using my touchscreen devices. I even tried using those touchscreen compatible gloves. So yeah, I saw a friend using WaterBear to clean their phone. They just peeled it off the back of their phone, wiped once, and her phone was sparkling. I had to get one for myself. Let me tell you, this thing is so genius. It takes up basically zero space on your phone, so you forget it's there until you need it. It uses the same high-tech materials used by NASA to clean any screen, phone, tablet, laptop. It even works on your glasses, sunglasses. It's also super effective. It only takes a few seconds to give my phone that fresh out-of-the-box shine. One swipe with this little guy, and that nasty grime is gone. WaterBear is hands down the most convenient way I've found to keep my phone clean and shiny. You have to try it on yours.
This tiny screen cleaner guarantees your phone, camera, and glasses are always crystal clear. The small patch sticks to your phone and uses NASA-grade materials to clean all types of screens. Most screen cleaners are inconvenient. They're either too bulky or use messy chemicals. Serial entrepreneur Carrie Decker made it his mission to create a screen cleaner people will actually use. With a 5-star rating and money-back guarantee, it's the #1 way to keep screens and lenses clean. Click here to get WaterBear now.